In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment method to your eBay account. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or just getting started, adding a payment method is essential for a smooth buying and selling experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Go to the eBay website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be at the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the account settings. This section is your go-to for managing personal details, security options, and most importantly, your payment settings. Now in the account settings, you'll find a tab labeled Payments. Click on it, and this will lead you to everything related to how you pay others or get paid on eBay. Here, you'll see an option to Add Payment Method. Go ahead and click this option. It will open up a form where you can choose from various payment methods. Typically, eBay offers you a choice between using a credit or debit card or going with Payoneer, which are the most commonly used payment options. You'll want to select the one you prefer. If you're going the credit or debit card route, make sure to have your card details handy. You'll need to carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Accuracy is key here. Take your time to ensure all the details are correct to prevent any errors during transactions. If you choose Payoneer, you'll need your Payoneer account details, so have those ready as well. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, take a quick moment to review everything to ensure there's nothing amiss. It's quite simple, but a good practice to double check to prevent any snags later. The final step is crucial. You must ensure you click the Save button to store your new payment method. This makes the method available for both ongoing eBay activities and any future transactions. Confirmation will usually show on the screen that your details have been saved successfully, and there you have it. Adding a payment method to your eBay account is pretty straightforward. Remember, having a payment method saved not only makes purchases more convenient, but also adds efficiency to your selling operations if you're a seller. By following these simple steps today, you ensure smooth sailing for your future transactions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and happy eBaying!